Well, Stephen, the future of computing is in the quantum realm, but it doesn't mean the future is here yet. We did have a couple of quantum stories this year that I thought were kind of interesting. The first came back in May when the White House said that they needed to have quantum proof encryption. This was a story that I covered on Conversations back in 2021. We talked about the fact that a quantum computer, when it finally hits the right level, can absolutely invalidate all forms of RSA encryption. And it didn't take the US government long to get there because by early July, we had NIST approving some candidates for quantum proof encryption. And they had a list of algorithms that they wanted people to start figuring out and see if they were going to work or not. Boy, it didn't take long. After a month, we already invalidated a couple of them for some quite honestly silly reasons, like things that should have been caught earlier in the process. But what I think is exciting about this story and this group of news is that it shows that we have finally hit a point where people understand the value, but also the challenges associated with quantum computing, about how it needs to rethink our security model. And even a story we just covered a couple of weeks ago where Dell is trying to integrate quantum computing offerings into some of their cloud by creating this bridge between the two and offering it as a service. I think we're going to see a lot more stories about quantum computing in 2023 as it becomes more mainstream for people that need that very specific type of processing power.